everyone and welcome to Nick and Wes Home DIYs. For today's webisode, we're going to repurpose a planter stand. For this project, you're going to need a metal planter stand, a paintbrush, and some gold enamel paint. Let's begin. You would want to stir the paint mixture to ensure the pigments are evenly mixed. Drain any excess paint before applying your coat for a thin and even finish. Shorter paint strokes will help cover any crevices. Let the paint dry and if required, go over with a few more coats until you achieve your desired finish.
Thank you for tuning in to Nick and Wes Home DIYs. If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, or follow us on our social media channels. And don't forget to mark this date on your calendar for the next tutorial. See you next month.